Oh, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again. So let's say you have a Tesla Model Y and you're thinking about installing a roof rack, whether it's for a kayak, bikes, a cargo box, traveling. So here's the thing, we're gonna figure out how hard is it really to install the roof rack? Do you need special tools? And most importantly, will it actually stay put on the highway? So today we're gonna figure it out all together. I'm gonna walk you through the installation step by step and give you a few tips to make it easier. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first step is that we are going to be applying a protective film to the side of the vehicle. If you hold a flashlight, you will be able to see that there are arrows on your vehicle pointing to where you're going to be adding the protective film, aka the roof racks. So we're going to start by adding this protective film. I'm going to try to do my best to remove the air bubbles. And you're going to repeat it to each of the sides, passenger sides of the vehicle. So next we are going to insert this clip tool in place. This tool I do not recommend because it just pushes the seal inwards. If you have some tweezers, it's going to make everything so much easier. And you're going to see where you lined it up with the arrow, and you're just going to do your best to insert this clip right there at the arrow line, like that. Okay, so next we have these little pads, and you're gonna add these to the little clips that we just installed. Each little pad has a little indicator of where they go, like right, R1, driver's front side, L1, passenger's front side. So now we're gonna put these on. Okay, so you have this pad. L1 is for the driver's side, and you're just gonna slide it right in. And there we go. That's firmly on there. And now we're gonna go do the other three corners. Now on the back right passenger. There we go. Now the left passenger. Next we're gonna install the roof rack. We're gonna insert the hole with the screw. Like that. Okay, now you have these little nuts, and you are gonna insert it into this. First with your hand, let's see. Righty-tighty, your hand, and then you got the Allen key to make it easier. And we're just gonna go all the way and secure it. There you go. Here's that one. Here's a tip. When you're putting the little nut in and you're using the Allen key, you want to make sure you make it snug, but you don't want to over crank it and make it too tight because you may or may not damage the window. You just want to give it a good shake. Even ask a man or someone strong to shake it for you and make sure it doesn't move. And that should work. And now we have these little covers, and you just want to pop it in place. Actually, no, yeah. Bottom and then the top. And then you want to repeat. Okay, now we're going to install the front roof rack. Same thing. Maybe we'll get it in. Yeah. And same thing, you want to use the little nuts and slide it into the screw. With your finger, your hands, you can easily twist it in. So here's our little pro tip. This orange thing actually is handy on the back side of this thing, not the pointy part, the back side. It's like a little key, and it fits perfectly to crank it. Again, snug, don't over tighten it. Oh shit, what was that sound? So for the front part, I don't know if you can tell, but it did crack. And as we were saying it, like telling you guys to do it snug, we literally didn't even crank this all the way. We were just like doing it snug, and you can see pretty much like a rainbow, and then spiders right here. It cracked, so that's great. So overall, the installation of the roof rack was fairly easy. Not that difficult till we realized, we cracked the roof of our brand new Model Y. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, help us afford a new roof for mommy's brand new Model Y. And if you have any other accessory suggestions, let us know. See you next time. Bye. And cut.